Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, today,
Good
myself,
morning.
Farhat, and Saida ma'am are here to discuss about an international project that Edify School Nagpur is going to conduct. Okay, and we will take part in an international project. Now, the topic of this international project is water conservation, lives preservation. It means that if we save water, it will preserve life, whether it's human life or animal life or wildlife or plant life. Okay, so water conservation will help lives preservation. Now, what are we going to do is we have got three countries involved. One is India, we have got Australia, and we have got South Africa. We have to do some research on all these three countries and then we have to compare our findings. So, what all things we need to find? First thing is we have to conduct research and collect information about various water resources in all these three countries. What are the different various water resources? Means where is the water coming from all these countries. Second thing that we have to do research is system of distribution. Now we all know that water is required for our everyday life, plant life, animal life, or whatever it is. Water is an essential component of our daily life. So what is the system of distribution from those resources coming to the cities or to the people? Then third thing is what is the water requirement per day in all the three countries? And lastly, what you need to find out is how is the water used and what are the conservation plans in all these three countries. So this is the first step we are going to do, that is research. You can check online. There is so much of information available online. You have to do research on these topics for all the three countries, namely India, Australia and South Africa. Clear? Now, in order to present this information, once you find out all this information, you have to record it. Matlab, you have to do it in the form of booklets or charts. When we are making booklets or when we are making charts, you have to remember that the borders of all the papers should exactly be the same. That's the first thing you have to remember. And second is you have to make it in the very creative way, very beautiful, colorful and creative way. It has to be very, very impressive with all this information. So that if somebody sees the chart or booklet, they will come to know what is going on, what you have done and what comparison you have done. Clear? Any doubts? You also have to compare about all the topics that we have told you about in for all the three countries. So that's the first thing that we have to do. After you have submitted the booklets and charts, we will be conducting a debate, online debate, because COVID pandemic is going on. So we will do it online. We will conduct a debate and the topic for that debate is, can technology help avert the water crisis? It means that with the use of right technology, can the water crisis be reverted? Matlab, can it be saved? Can the water be saved by using new technology? Okay, so that we'll do it later on. But the first thing is you have to do the research on the topics that we have told you about. Does anybody have any doubts in whatever we have discussed so far?
Anything regarding this, if you want to have any questions, you can ask. How to prepare booklet, how to prepare chart, what color should I use for making the border? This kind of question you might be getting in your mind. So you can ask if you are getting this kind of questions. But one thing you need to remember, as ma'am told you, that all the border needs to be same. It should not be like one booklet you are preparing with some border, other booklet with some other color or some other creativity what you are using. Whatever creativity you have chosen for single, all the charts or all the booklet has to be same. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Ma'am, can you repeat that three countries?
Yes, the three countries that were mentioned are India, Australia, and South Africa. Please note these countries down and start doing your research work. For the next line of activities, we will come back to you again. Till then, if you do not have any more questions, we will stop here. We'll conclude the session here. And if you have any doubts, you can ask us personally whenever you want. Okay? So, thank you very much, all of you, for your time. Let's start preparing the activities. All right. Bye.
Bye now.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.